kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a different kind of a video. Today I'm going to be decorating my living room for the spring season, but I'm just going to be doing some cleaning before I get into decorating because y'all, my house is a mess from top to bottom. Okay, because I've been working so much, I have not had the time to really clean my house, and so I'm just starting in the living room, and I am going to be changing out all the covers on the pillows and the blankets and vacuuming and doing all the things. So definitely watch the video from beginning to end if you want to see how I decorated the space. I know some of you are not about the cleaning, and I know some of you are, but I just wanted to incorporate this into one video and kind of show you guys how I got to the results. So if this is the content that you guys like, and if you're new here, I normally do decorating and seasonal decorating on my channel. If that's something you're interested in, I do upload every Wednesdays and Fridays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I would love for you to consider subscribing, becoming a part of our family here. Definitely double tap that bell so you don't miss out on any episodes. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the music and hopefully y'all get some inspiration from it. You know, cleaning your home or decorating your space for the spring season as well. By the way, y'all, this curtain, it was giving me the business. It really was. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead, listen to the music and enjoy, and I will jump back in a little bit.
Don't forget it when life throws lemons. Just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. 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 You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds, and when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it when life throws lemons. Just call on me to get you. To just call on me to get you. Don't forget to just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to just call on me, baby. I'll be there. I'll just call on me, baby. Swear that I'll be there. I'll just had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders, I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon
So
enough,
guys, as you can
everything
see,
started to
I
change.
am definitely diving headfirst into spring. I'm loving it. The sun is shining now. It's 55 degrees today and the snow is finally starting to melt. Oh my gosh, daylight savings time occurred, and so I am just feeling the warmth. I'm feeling the spring summer vibes, and my mood has begun to change. I don't know if some of you, but do you guys get seasonal depression? I feel like I am so depressed during the winter seasons. It's just dark. We have very long winters here where I live, very cold winters, and I am just so happy that the sun is literally shining through and it's so warm. I opened up the windows today to get some fresh air in, and it just felt so amazing. So y'all let me know down in the comment section, what is your favorite season? My favorite season is definitely spring, summer. I used to love winter, but ever since I moved to where I am now, it's kind of like in the mountains. I absolutely hate winters, you guys, because we get so much snow and it is like zero below, like negative 30 degrees at times, and it is just freezing for absolutely no reason. So y'all let me know down in the comment section, what is your favorite season?
There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind, my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together.
I know you guys are probably thinking,
Standing
girl,
on the
didn't you just
dizzying
vacuum?
heights.
Y'all, my vacuum is just not sucking anything up. I don't know what is wrong with it. It is a newer vacuum. I just bought it like maybe last year sometime, and it's just not working. And I had to go over my rugs with the broom, just sweeping stuff up because it was so dirty. And you'll see the amount of dirt that came out of my rug and off of my floors. Oh my goodness, it is so bad. So I definitely know I have to go through my entire home, doing some spring cleaning for sure, because it is absolutely filthy. I am so disgusted at the dirt and the dust that came up off of my floors. I can't even believe it. And we don't even wear shoes in our home. I don't know where it came from, but it was almost like sand type of dust and dirt. So I don't know where it came from, but I just had to go over the floors and the rugs with the broom, and it really did the trick, you guys. So if you're wondering why I'm sweeping when I already vacuumed, this is the reason why.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
So this is what the living room is looking like. I love it so much, you guys. It is so bright and vibrant and happy, and I love the pops of color. I know the pink. I have my husband and my son here, but they absolutely love it. It's not a lot of pink, it's just a tad bit of it, but I love how I incorporated all of those colors and tones together, from the drapes to the florals to the pillow coverings, and just have like a neutral background. That's why I love decorating with neutrals as like my main decorating aesthetic, because I can add pops of colors here and there with every season. So I just love that the way that it turned out. I love that there is a bit of whimsy to it, but also you have a little bit of vintage, traditional, and a little bit of modern here and there. So I just love the way that it looks. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about the outcome? And yeah, if you guys liked it, definitely give the video a thumbs up and share it with your peoples, your friends, co-workers, everyone that you know. And don't forget that Jesus is Lord, that he loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on Friday with a spring house tour. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
I guess it